Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice car. It's a 2020 Tesla Model S Performance. Beautiful car. We got this here locally. It was ordered by a friend of mine, the first owner. Actually, a guy I've known since we were 4 years old. He got a Cybertruck, so I got the Model S. Very nice car, very well taken care of. Kept it in his garage all the time. 21-inch wheels. It's got the full self-driving computer. It's got the premium package, cold weather package. Got the rear spoiler, adaptive suspension. This thing is loaded up all the way. Very nice. I think these cars did, it does have Ludicrous mode. I believe they were 2.5, 0 to 60, right before the Plaids came out. Power hatch in the back. All 4 tires are good. There's no scuffs on the wheels. It's got the white interior. The car is black. Comes with the charger and the 2 keys and everything that you would get when it's new. Take a look inside here real quick. It's very nice. Non-smoker, clean Carfax. It's all been updated with all the latest, greatest tech. Got the full glass roof, white interior. It's very clean. Take a look here at the mileage. Let's see, we've got all the information here. 21,276 miles. You see Ludicrous mode right here. And it does have the autopilot package included. And you can, by subscription, upgrade to the full self-drive. The new owner has to do that. That doesn't transfer over. So it's a very nice car. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Half price from what it costs new. Love these cars. You can run the whole thing from your app if you've never had one before. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond to everything, every inquiry very quickly. We can do deals out of state. Very easy, remotely. And I can have this car shipped right to your driveway. So I hope to hear from you soon. Real nice car here. Low mileage for the year. Only 21,000 miles. One owner, clean Carfax. No problems at all. This will be a blast for somebody. Go ahead and check out our Instagram also. That's Rogers_Motorcars. We do a lot of posts there too. And if you can, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hope to hear from you soon.